IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Long our conversation, long way before, start pa lang ng start pa lang last year, we were already talking about developing a sports program for the city of Batak athletes. So it has been Attorney Jeps and Attorney Jojo were talking about it with me. And what if, since we would want to increase the volume of the pool ng athletes na pagpipilian natin, we would want to maybe consider a summer clinic for them.
Trinitarte Schools Division Office ti Batak kan sanggun nga palusod digiti kasapulan nga ramidan da para iti pagimbagan digiti sports events. Kalpasan iti nagbalin ay standing da iti kalkalpas a Region 1 Athletic Association meet kabayatan iti mga 39th regular session ti sanggun nga palusod iti syudad ti Batak. Inbatad ni Schools Division Superintendent Mr. Anselmo Aludino nga iti daytoy atawan ti R1AA ket nag-improve ti performance digiti atleta iti syudad ta nakagunod da iti 22 a medalya kumpara iti napalabas atawan asa nga 10 tinagunod da.
Present this afternoon to enlighten the City Council regarding the achievements as well as accomplishments of the delegation of the City of Batak in the computed 2026 Region 1 Athletic Association meet held at the City of Candon from April 5 to 11 of this current year. For this particular regional fleet, we are very glad to report to the City Council that this 2026 regional athletic meet showed that we have improved performance as compared to last year with our medal tally account that in last year we have only 17, but this year we have 22. And with respect to the special games, we also have 3 medals. So there's a significant improvement from the medal count. And of course, we would like to report also that we have more winnings, meaning winnings per match as compared last year. And our delegation has shown a significant improvement in their discipline, and that's the reason why we are happy to report that this year participation of the City of Batak Athletic Association has been a success, although the ranking of the City of Batak is still in number 14, but then the individual as well as the collective performance of the group has been profound.
Mainaigiti daytoy kalikagom ni Vice Mayor Engineer Albert D. Chua ti agaramid iti programa para kadagiti atleta iti syudad no kasanuda matulungan digitoy.
Some awards you have forwarded and duly received by the local government. The sports program that you have in mind, maybe it may not be a perfect one, but there must be a program that we will consider. Remember that never did as far as I can remember, even when I was a mayor, as far as I can remember, never did we slash a project proposal or budget proposal of the DepEd.
Nangilungalong met digiti miyembro ti sanggunyang panlusod no anya digiti kasapulan da nga aramidan a suporta para iti pagsayaatan digiti atleta iti syudad ken no anya digiti tulong nga may payda tapno ag-improve iti syudad kadigiti nagduduma sports events ti DepEd. Para iti IFM News, Idol Rin Santos, tatak IFM.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.